Cult Beauty Advent Calendar, 34 beauty icons, 20 full-size favorites. Wow, 21 times!
Hi friends, welcome back to a new unboxing of an advent calendar. Today we have Cult Beauty. So let's get started. Let's open up. Do it a little bit like oops. Oopsie daisy. Let me just before we do anything else. Yeah. So this is Cult Beauty. Oh. I think we are ready. So let's get started. So this is from Cult Beauty. All the details will follow at the end. Anyway, you guys, if you wonder what's on my face, I just ordered the Stranger Things mystery box from Colourpop. For the foundation, that's side-by-side comparison of two of the cushion foundations from Tear. So that is also going to be a video soon. So watch out and you will see all the details in a couple of days. So let's get started. Number 1 is up here. And this is from Summer Fridays. Ooh, it's a jet lag skin soothing hydration mist. That actually sounds really nice. Let's have a look. Can you also set your makeup with it? So it's a hydration mist. Let me see how the mist is. Yeah, really nice mist. Let me just try a little bit. Yeah, you can use it after makeup application, it says. So that's good. Throughout the day, I really enjoy mists like this. To just spray on during the day to freshen up a little bit. That's really nice. Ooh, so that's what's number 1. Good start, I must say. Number 2. And down here. Ooh, this is from Saie. It's a Super Suede Radiant Blush Powder. Wow, I must say this is a good start. Shade Bella. I haven't tried much from Saie before. I have one of their blushes. Oh, is it one of the blushes? Yes, it is. Super Suede Radiant Blush Powder in shade Bella. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is literally my favorite color. I love it. I'm so happy for this one. Number 3. Oh, wow. Is this what I'm thinking it is? Yeah, it's from Gisou, and it's a honey-infused lip oil, cherry on the cake. Look at this packaging. That is so good. I enjoy that. Oh, I like their packaging. Wow, it looks so stylish. Look at that shine. Wow. Another good one. Number 4 is right here. Wow, this is from Laneige. It's a bouncy and firm serum. Plump, firm, smooth. So it says the main ingredients are peony and collagen complex for face serum and peptides and tocopherol. So that's really good. So that's a serum. I'm definitely going to try that one. Number 5 is up here. It's a huge one. Big one. Oh, another nice one from this time from Kate Somerville. Exfoliate intensive exfoliating treatment. It smooths and minimizes pores. This one. And it is with AHA and BHA. Good one, Kate Somerville. We like that. Number 6. Come on out. So this is from Philip Kingsley. It's an overnight scalp barrier serum. I need something for my scalp. Number 7. Oh, I like this. Wow. So this is from Hourglass. It's Unlocked Instant Extensions Mascara. So it's not the full size, but still we get to try it. It's Hourglass. Number 8 is up here. What is this? This is from True Botanicals and it's called Phytoretinol Sleep Serum. So directions for use is massage all over face and neck before moisturizing as part of your evening skincare routine. So that's the one. Have you tried it before? Comment down below. And 9. Oh my goodness, it's stuck. Wow, it's from Dr. Dennis Gross. It's a plump and repair lip treatment. And you have your treatment. So that's the one. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like this. So I guess you just push this up and it will connect and you have your treatment for your lips. Number 10. Ooh, wow. This is from Patrick Ta. It's a double take cream and powder blush. It's in She Knows Who She Is. I have a really pink one from him, and I don't think it's this one. I'm pretty sure. So that's really nice to try another color. I just love this. They are so incredible. And you have this lid for the creamy one. So that's how it looks like. Can you see the color? There, maybe. That's maybe the best one so far. Do you agree? I didn't expect to get a Patrick Ta, actually. So then we have number 11. It's down here. And what is this? Oh, it's from Elemis Pro Collagen Toning Mist, replenishing and refining toner. Spritz 2 to 3 pumps over face. Use morning and evening. I love lots of you love Elemis. I'm not a huge fan, but I haven't tried them in a long time. But I just remember after flying British Airways in business and first, and when you got the Elemis in the small bags, it was not good. My skin didn't like it. But I will definitely try it. I will give her another chance. Number 12. Ooh, wow. I think everyone is so good. This is K18 Biomimetic Hair Science Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. That's one. Do you like the KI18? Leave your comments. Not my comments, but your comments down below. What? I was just about to buy this one. It's from Paula's Choice. It's a barrier repair advanced moisturizer with 3 peptide 5 plus ceramides. It says it's a light lotion, smooths and hydrates, strengthens skin's barrier to visible, improve signs of aging. And it's for all skin types. That is really good. I love Paula's Choice. This one I will definitely use. Okay. Number 14. Oh la la. It's from Crave Beauty. I don't know that company. Crave Beauty. Oil serum for breakouts. Oh, okay. I usually don't have any breakouts. I'm too old for breakouts, I guess. But maybe I have started kind of saving. I have a bag where I'm filling up with products that I want to give to some of you. So follow on for more videos and giveaways later on, and definitely when you're getting closer to Christmas. 15. Oh, it's from Medicate C Tetra Advanced. 20% vitamin C gel serum, brighten and age defense with phyto exosomes. Extremely nice. I love this company. I love it. 16. Wow. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. Beauty Light Wand, easy highlighter in Spotlight, shade Spotlight. I like her highlighters. Look at this, it's so exclusive. And then you have this application, and you just open it and then squeeze. It's so easy. And just We like that, Charlotte, darling. Number 17. Ooh. Bioma. It's Bioma. It's a phytomucin glow serum, triceramide complex, phytomucin, panthenol, and peptides for boosted barrier and better skin. 40 milliliters and 1.35 fluid ounces. I love it. Everything is so good in this calendar. Number 18. Wow. It's actually two things. Let's see. And I think they are both from Agostinus Bader. So this one is the eyebrow and lash enhancing serum with TFC 8. Are you serious right now? I am using, I'm using the Swede one, but I will definitely try this one. And then you have the eye patches with TFC 8. This one, I think it's kind of fun. This extremely expensive brand, but they are in all of the more expensive advent calendars. 19 is up here. Oh, wow. Glow recipe. It's a watermelon glow niacinamide dewy flush. Here it is. And as I said, everything is so incredibly good in this calendar. I'm so impressed. Wow. 20 is over here. Oh, 2 products. So this is, wow. What can I say? So the first one is from Danessa Myrex Beauty. It's line work. It's a paintbrush fluid eyeliner, shade Onyx. And then, if that wasn't enough, we also have from Natasha Denona the mini Xenon palette. This one. This is a palette I don't have. So that's perfect. Look at that. Wow, this is perfect for a smoky eye. So then it's 21. 2 things again. First one is from RMS Beauty. It's the legendary lip oil. I actually received some products from RMS yesterday, and I think actually one of them was lip oil, but not the legendary one. And this is in the shade Lucia. And then we have a pen from Makeup Forever. It's an artist color pencil extreme in the shade 608 Limitless Brown. So it's a waterproof lip liner. That's it. 22. Oh, what? It's 3 things in here. This is from Sisley. It's a Black Rose Cream Mask, Instant Youth Smoothing, Plumping, Brightening. Just up my alley, you guys. I need it. This one. Second one. It's from U Beauty. It's a resurfacing flash peel with glycolic acid and salicylic acid and provitamin B5. Last one, and this one is Dr. Levy from Switzerland. It's Intense Stem Cell Eye Booster Concentrate. This one. This is interesting. I'll definitely try that. 23. We are almost there. Huda Beauty. It was a little bit slow. It's a 4 filler extra shine lip gloss in the shade She Flirty. This is so nice. I like this packaging. It's a rich one. So it's this. Well, it's Christmas Eve. Oh, I recognize this. Another good one. So this is the Delizia Drench Body Butter Cherosa 59 fragrance. I like these from Sol de Janeiro. So that's the one. And it's in the blue one. like that. And now for the final Christmas day, and it's this huge one. Wonder what's up in here. Oh, wow. So the first one is from Vieva. It's a Skin Nova Instant Radiance Primer. I don't know how you pronounce that. Is it Vieva or Vive? Or... Then we have here by Sam McKnight, Love Me Do. It's a nourishing oil for your skin. No, for your hair. And then we have a big one from Bioma. So this is a hydrating body wash, normal to dry skin, prebiotic complex plus squalane plus beta glucan, and it's barrier boosting body care, like that. Oh, I like this one. Oh, this is one of my favorites at the moment. Oh, I love this. I just love this one. It's from L'Occitane, and it's the almond oil, shower oil. I actually just purchased like a liter of this. I mean, this is 75 ml, and it makes the skin feel so nice. It smells nice. So this is really good. Then we have another one that is quite interesting also. It's by Terry. Actually, by Terry it's really good. No one is talking about it. I like by Terry. So this looks like a setting powder, is it? By Terry Mini to Go Hyaluronic Hydra Powder. Loose setting powder, yes. And it is colorless. So Merry Christmas! I have to say, I thought, well, I kind of knew it would be a good one, but this good? Wow. It's so much in here that I really just love. And I'm so excited about it. Now I can't wait till December, right? To my before Christmas show. Yeah, I'm calling it a show. It's going to be daily openings of advent calendars from December 1st. And remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know what's going on my channel. I have 1, maybe 2 advent calendars. So, do I think it was worth it? It has 34 beauty icons, including 20 full-size favorites. And to be honest, as I told you, I was so happy about the Sephora favorites, the European version of it. But I must say, with these products, I'm so impressed. I'm going to use all of them. So yeah, I think it's worth it. I paid $325 for this one, for this calendar, and it's valued at $1,200. And with all those quality products, yes, I think it was worth it. So it's approved by me. So let's see the next one. That's going also to be really interesting. They are also one of the more exclusive ones and known for having good products. So we'll see. See you then. Bye for now.